Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming this look and it's inspired from Nicola Peltz, I believe is how you say her name. It's the girl from Bates Motel, the blonde one that Norman's like obsessed with. And yeah, I'm just filming this look because I was scrolling through her Instagram and I found it and I thought it was so cute and I just had to recreate it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've just done my foundation. My drawers are open too wide. All I did was just like a really bronzy base and some blush and some fake freckles. Yeah, I just used Tarte Shape Tape to like spot conceal and do under my eyes, and then I just did a light brow with some brow powder. So nothing too exciting. Yeah, now, oh, and I also did some highlight. I just used this one, the I Love You So Mochi from NYX, and I used the gold. It's so pretty. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go in and make a little outline of the eyeliner with my NYX brow marker, just so I have like kind of a guideline. Let's zoom in. See, I've got that nice little guideline to go off of. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eye. I'm gonna be using two eyeliners today. The first one is just the NYX matte liquid liner, and then the other one is gonna be this BH Cosmetics marker, like felt tip one. So I'm gonna use the brush one for this part of my eye, and the most important thing here is just not blinking. Now I'm just gonna go in and do the little connecting wing. I'm so nervous. Oh, this has too much liner. Alright, and then, now that those are done and hopefully look kind of even, I'm gonna go in and do the little inner corner point that she has with a felt tip. Whew, that tickles like no other. Whew. Okay, friends. I'm really impressed with myself. I haven't probably put eyeliner on in maybe 3 months. I literally have not been wearing makeup. Okay, focus, please. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do mascara. Hopefully I don't mess it up with that. And then I'm gonna cut these lashes in half and apply them just to the outer part of my eye. I think it looks fine. I'm not gonna do fake lashes. So now I'm just gonna move on to lips, and she has got some big old Insta lips. She definitely has fillers. I don't know if she had them on Bates Motel, but she definitely has them now. So I'm gonna try to make my lips look as big as I possibly can. I'm gonna be using a lot of products today. So I'm gonna go in first with this lip liner from MAC in the shade Chicory. That is a hard word to say. Okay, and I'm just gonna use this on the outer part of my lips. Make sure I don't. So her lips get really big like out here. That's how I can 100% tell that she's had fillers, because I didn't used to always look like that, but that's gonna be where I accentuate my lips. Okay, so there's my lips lined. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit now. And then I'm gonna go in with this color. This is like a really tiny sample size, but I think it'll be perfect. It's in the shade Boss. It's just a liquid lipstick from Bare Minerals. I'm gonna put that all over my lips. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna use this really old Ratchet lip gloss. It's from Essence. Doesn't even have the color on it, but I'll try to find a similar one below. But this is my favorite pink lip gloss, and I'm just gonna pop that right in the middle. Okay. So I think that is finally the finished look. I really like how it turned out. I think it's a really funky twist, and I never do graphic liner, so this is really fun to do and play with. I'm super excited that the new season and the last season of Bates Motel came out. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time speaking today, but if you guys like that show or if you've watched it before, comment down below your favorite character. My favorite is Dylan. I think he's so cute, and he's like the most normal, sane person on the show. So for sure, comment down below your favorite character. And if you guys liked this video and if you found it helpful, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.